again, Seri Panching!
I am Tushara.
I'm Azrina.
I'm Naini.
And I'm Sophia.
Do you guys feel that our class is getting hotter these days?
For real though?
So, this is our problem statement. Recently, students and teachers have reported that the classroom has been uncomfortably hot during lessons, particularly in the afternoon. Next, the hot weather causing discomfort and reducing the ability to concentrate and learn effectively. And the last one, high classroom temperatures can negatively affect students, such as dehydration and heat exhaustion, and impacting for teachers also.
Wait. I think you guys should try this. Wait, try this. It's hot, right?
Right.
It's cool. Why is it like that, huh?
Lower pressure causes a drop in temperature. So for this, we need to look at a law called Boyle's law. Let's say we have a fixed number of particles in the container. If the container is wide, then there's a lot of room for the particles to move. So less particles hit the wall of the container. If we reduce the volume or we reduce the space for the particles to move, then the more often they hit the wall and each other. This impact is called pressure.
I think we might solve our problem with this concept. But how?
Firstly, we cut the bottle into half, then make a rectangle using the plastic board. Next, we make a few pinwheels from colored papers and attach it into the bottle. After that, we arrange the bottle in the plastic board and glue it using Mr. DIY hot glue gun. Then, we use crumpled aluminum foil to fill in the blank between the bottles. Lastly, we attach the tearing hook to hang the product nicely.
This is the Airflow Pro. It's a high-performance heat sinks designed to deliver cooling airflow proven by scientific research, ideal for both industrial and residential use. It features a sleek, aerodynamic design that minimizes the heat. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it perfect for ventilation, cooling, and air circulation in a variety of settings.
This is the necessary materials and also the cost for this product. First, the plastic board just costs RM3.90. Time for next for airflow will be using 35% of usable bottle. Color papers also skewers and the price is RM3.10 and RM1.80. Then we also need ring hook and aluminum foil that just cost RM3.50 and RM8.50 each. Not to forget hot glue gun we refill that we can get only RM25.80. The whole total cost in only RM56.70. And of course, we can get all of these items and Mr. D with cheapest yet the best quality.